Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you are fine. My this new news about Heidi Klum Flashes AGT Audience in viral TikTok video. Heidi Klum has taken to Instagram to share the moment she accidentally flashed the America's Got Talent audience. The 48-year-old became a judge on the American Talent show in March 2013 when she replaced Sharon Osbourne. She continued the role for 7 years, judging the show for 6 sessions before announcing her departure in February 2019. After a brief hiatus, she then returned for session 15 and 16 of the show alongside Simon Cowell, Hawaii Mendel, and Sofia Vergara. This week, one TikTok user has shared a blunder from session 16 that she have never forgotten. On Thursday, August 24th, Heidi Klum shared a TikTok video on her Instagram that got fans laughing. In the clip, originally shared by TikTok user at the rate of best phonesive 007, Heidi accidentally flashes the America Got Talent audience. Judge Sofia Vergara is seen posing for a selfie with Hawaii Mendel, and Heidi briefly looks up from her phone and bends over to join in the photo. But what she does not realize is that she is wearing a very short dresses and her whole ears in on display. The video was filmed by an audience member at the first live show of session 16 this month. However, Heidi was completely unaware of the blunder until now. Heidi captioned the clip, which has already had over 6,43,000 viewers. Not to self. Don't bend over in a short skirt. Heidi obviously saw the funny side to it, and so did everyone on TikTok. The original clip has had 1.3 million viewers, and fans have been complimenting her in the comments. Heidi is stunning, one person wrote, "Wellest." Another joked, "Everyone in the front row." Others thought it was very convenient that she ca- cameraman panned across his at the perfect time. Coincidence is think not. Another person commented, "Cameraman conveniently went off target at the prices time." Cameraman was like, "Hold up time to pan back," wrote another. For the first live show on August 10th, which is the day she accidentally flashes the audience, Heidi rocked a stunning coral dresses. The short strapless number was covered in features and a matching coral bow. She completed the look with clear perspex, heels, and colorful jewelry. Hadi's fellow judges Sofia Vergara also wore pink, opting for a hot pink strapless body comb. Mighty addresses. Thanks for watching and listening my this news video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon.